This is a bottle cap glued to a floss pick, and I'm going to share with you guys how this will greatly improve your quality of life in the garden. For smaller seed varieties, the recommended depth to sow your seed is about 1/4 of an inch. Now when you take the measurement of a bottle cap, you will notice that it is exactly 1/4 of an inch, which is the recommended depth to sow your seeds. And now for a quick demonstration, you take your pick and you press down into the soil. Now it might be a little bit difficult to see because the soil is black, but now you got your little holes at the perfect depth. I got some eggplant seeds right here, and the recommended depth for them is 1/4 of an inch. Now I'll put 2 seeds per hole. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You see I have 2 seeds per hole, so that way it improves the chance of germination. And now you just lightly cover them up. I hope that little trick helps you with your gardening journey. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and remember guys, take it easy.